Hi, I'm Adam from Adam's Bake Shop, and today we're going to make a peanut butter brownie using the cake margarine from Goodman Ingredients. Firstly, the 250 grams of peanut butter. Now we're going to add our CSR muscovado sugar. Dark chocolate chips. Next we're putting in 50 grams of the cake margarine by Goodman Ingredients. Alright, now we're putting the pan on the stove and we're going to use a whisk. To get a nice fudgy style brownie, we want to make sure that all the ingredients melt down here and make a thick paste. So we'll allow this to cool to about 50 degrees and then we'll start adding the eggs one by one. The reason we allow the batter to cool down is if it's too hot, the egg will curdle. Now we'll slowly add the dry ingredients. Firstly, salt. Next we're going to add in our white wing self-raising flour. This is going to allow it to get some structure, but also allow it to rise in the oven. And finally, our cocoa powder. As you can see, this mixture is quite fudgy. This will make a nice dense brownie. So we're going to spray our pan with golden canola spray oil. And now we're going to transfer our brownie mixture into the tray. Using a spatula, we're going to smooth out the mixture. The more flat that we make it, the more evenly this will cook. Sometimes I generally tap the cake to make sure it's nice and smooth. We're going to place this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Look how beautiful that is. It's nice and risen, light and fluffy. Let's test it with a skewer. See how the tip is nice and fudgy? That's exactly what we want. Time to dress this. Using our melted peanut butter, we'll sprinkle some over the top and garnish with some nuts. And there you have it, that's our peanut butter brownie. We used the cake margarine in there just to make sure that we had the perfect fat content and it made it nice and fudgy.